Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to install the latest version of Ubuntu, which is Ubuntu 24.04.2 on Windows virtually using VirtualBox. I will show you the easiest way to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox in Windows operating system. So let's start. First of all, to install Ubuntu, we need to download VirtualBox and Ubuntu ISO file. To download and install VirtualBox, open any of the browser. Here we have Microsoft Edge. Open it and search for VirtualBox. Click on this link. I will add this link to the video description. Click on download. You can find VirtualBox for Windows, Mac, Linux and Solaris host. So click on Windows host. The file will be downloaded. Once you download the VirtualBox, you need to install it. I have already installed it. You can see I have already installed VirtualBox and installed different operating system on VirtualBox. Once you install the VirtualBox, you need to download Ubuntu ISO file. To download Ubuntu ISO file, open another tab and search for Ubuntu. On the first link, click on this link. Again, click on desktop. The latest version of Ubuntu is Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS. LTS stands for Long Time Support. To download ISO file, click on download as the size of this file is 5.9 GB. Click download. As you can see, the ISO file download has started, so it will take time. I have already downloaded this ISO file, so I will cancel it. You can see here, I have already downloaded this file, which is 6.1 GB. Once you download the ISO file of Ubuntu, open VirtualBox, click on New, name your Ubuntu. We will name it Ubuntu 24.2. Once you write Ubuntu, you can see subtypes and versions has already selected. Then click on hardware. Depend on your PC hardware, you can choose RAM and processor. For this installation, we will choose 4 GB RAM and we will choose 6 processor. No need to enable EFI. Click on hardware. For this installation, we will choose 80 GB hard disk. Click on finish. Before starting this virtual machine, select it, click setting. First of all, on general, click on advanced. For share clipboard and drag and drop, select bidirectional. On system, as I have already selected 4 GB RAM, so on the video memory, maximize it to 128 MB. On the storage, we need to add the ISO file. Click on empty, click on file, choose virtual optical disk, click on add. We need to add the ISO file which we have downloaded. Choose. Then on network, you have to enable NAT. On USB, select USB 3, click OK. Now click on start. Wait for some times. Select try or install Ubuntu, click enter. Wait for some times. If after waiting 4 to 5 minutes you still saw black screen, simply power off the machine, power off it. Now again select it and start it. Again try or install, click enter. Yeah, you can see preparing Ubuntu. Now you need to follow the screen instruction. First of all, we need to choose the language. We will select English, click next, then click next. Select keyboard layout. You can select any of the keyboard layout, but we will select English US. As we are installing it on VirtualBox, no Wi-Fi device detected. Select use wired connection, click next. You can update it, but now it is not necessary. Click skip, click install Ubuntu, select interactive installation, select default selection, and tick install third-party software for graphic and Wi-Fi hardware, and download and install support for additional media format. Select next, select erase disk and install Ubuntu. It will not erase your drive C as it is taking dynamic space. So select next. We need to create account. Select next. Select your time zone. It will automatically detect your time zone, but you can manually select it. Select next. You can review your choices. Select install. Now you need a stable internet connectivity, as you can see here, and depends on your PC performance. It may take 5 to 10 minutes. So I will pause the video and will be back after 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, as you can see, we have successfully installed the latest version of Ubuntu. Now click on restart, press enter. We need to log in with username and password. You can see, welcome to Ubuntu 24.02.2 LTS. We click on next. You can enable Ubuntu Pro, but we will skip for now. Skip. Don't share system data. Next and finish. Okay guys, now if we minimize or maximize it, you can see we cannot use it in full screen mode. To enable full screen mode, we need to install Virtual Machine Guest Edition. Before installing Virtual Machine Guest Edition, we need to run some of the commands. First of all, click here and search for terminal. Click on terminal. I will add these commands to the video description. You can simply copy and paste it. First of all, write sudo apt update now. Write this command. We need to install build essential for Linux. You can find this command in the video descriptions. Once you paste or write it, simply enter. Press Y or yes. enter. Now let's clear it. Okay guys, now to install VirtualBox Guest Edition, click on Device, click on Insert Guest Edition CD image. You can see the CD image of VirtualBox Guest Edition. Now click on here, search for terminal. First of all, write CD. We need to change the directory to media slash your username. In our case, it is IT help. Click enter. Now write ls. You can see VirtualBox Guest Edition 7.1.6. We need to change directory to vbox guest edition 7.1.6. Now if you write ls, you can see the autorun.sh file. Write dot backslash autorun.sh. Click enter. Password. Wait for some times. VirtualBox Guest Edition installer. Press return to close this window. Okay. Now if we maximize it, you can see. Now to change it to full screen mode, click on view full screen mode, switch. Yeah, you can see we have successfully installed the latest version of Ubuntu, which is 24.04.2 on Windows using VirtualBox. Now if we change the wallpaper, now to check Ubuntu version, click on setting, click on system, click on about. You can see that we have successfully installed Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS, the latest version. So this was all for today's video. If you face any issue during download and installation, you can comment me below this video, and if you find the video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.